This one, you can see the muscle goes straight down like this. The way you cut the meat, it's always diagonal. Make the muscle real short, so when you eat it, won't be chewy. Okay?
So against the grain?
Against the grain. Diagonal.
If you know, a trick with, because I'm a chef, I don't like white meat. But my husband does, and so when I do a chicken stir fry, I always take the breast and I also cut it on the bias. And a little bit of cornstarch or a little bit of baking soda will help to also tenderize it a little bit, keep it nice and silky when you stir fry. And just practicing it, and then over time it's like second nature for you. If the breast is too thick, sometimes you can cut the breast in half first, and then do industry as well. They all go out, and they know their places where they can go that stays open late, and it's usually a chef. You'll see where their little haunts are. It's awesome.
Because you cook all day. Now you look at like it's called GGS, ginger, garlic, and green onion. S means scallion. We still do the same thing with the soy sauce. Little wine. Use the hand. Mix them well. Young and hot.
Is that ginger or ginger and garlic?
Ginger, garlic. We always make it have a good aroma first. And inside I'll just cut all the onions myself and mix it all.
Yep.
So your house smells like a Chinese restaurant. Yeah.
Okay. I read that. I think that's a new product that we completely came out with. Just use straight gluten. Okay. Yeah. That's interesting. Yeah. So today you guys get 10% off on your shopping trip for this product that you can buy.
Well, we just threw away.
That's celery, carrots, and green onion. Or you can use other kinds of vegetables. For example, I bring you this. Anybody know what this is?
No. It totally looks like one. Sorry for the hands.
Looks like an angry pear.
That's what I call equatorial fruit. So a lot of Latin countries also cook with that. But you don't really want to use it. Well, you can. You can make it into a salad.
You can make a salad.
Yeah.
Really tasty. There.
This is also really good pickled.
Why we for the whole house. Yeah. Chop everything in there.
That's right.
We normally use the bell pepper vegetable first.
No, I do it at the same time. So that's a good tip. It is still a fruit. So there's a little bit
Cook
of
vegetables so
sugar
you
that
see
comes
the
out
wok stay clean. You don't have to wash it and reheat it and do experience.
of it. No. You don't have a really well worked worn wok, and you don't have the BTUs that a restaurant has, and so the wok breath is more recently identified as a flavor and an aroma, and that's why you're not getting it. So that's why I suggested, like, she's got a giant saute pan, flared walls simulates a wok, right? But it's flat bottom because you can use it for anything. You need a hot cooking vessel, and you gotta cook fast. So in stir fry situations, that's where you get that kind of breath from the wok. That's what they call it, the wok breath. High heat. And you don't want to boil your meat. Like, that's why not overcrowding is important. And cooking high, making sure that oil's, boiling for the cooking vessel. And you know how to then clean it. She told me don't clean it, because you retain that flavoring in the skillet, and so as she continues to heat, it's going to caramelize, and then as she cooks the meat, it'll be glazed and pull off those bits. So it's all these little things you don't see, but when you cook bacon, some people don't clean it out before they fry their eggs in it because they want that flavor. So it's very similar.
What is that?
Hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce. garlic, hoisin sauce. I don't
believe
even see
hoisin sauce
garlic.
has a little bit of five spice powder in there.
Well, it says in ingredient, they can read it. I normally don't like it. They're not even in Chinese. You have to be honest, right? If I cannot pronounce it, it's no good.
So kind of depending on where someone grew up, their version of Mongolian is going to be a little bit different. So some of them make them really spicy. You know, in some menus you'll see that Mongolian beef is a spicy dish, and others not. This is a very classic kind of old school style. My grandmother's restaurant cooks it like this as well.
So but you can pretty much use whatever vegetables you
You
want.
can. What's I would tell you is more important about Mongolian is that it is more savory with a light sweet note to it.